Hello everyone, welcome to Agrogreen Farm Enterprise. In Agrogreen here, we monitor our ponds and care for our fish, like this one now, this pond now. We change this particular size because of the particular size of this fish, so the water will change it once in 2 days. Like this evening we are changing water. Look at the fish. This one is the last one that we restock about 2 months ago. Let me show you around. In Agrogreen here, we have about 19 ponds. This trampoline pond, we have about 19. It's a very large pond. Come, let me take you around. Look at this pond. See this one? We changed the water yesterday. You understand? By this time tomorrow, we'll be changing this water. That's why I said we'll change water once in 2 days. Once in 2 days. Here, come close, come and see. Come and see. In Agrogreen, we have different kgs of fish. We have like 800, from 800 gram, 1 kg, 2 kg, 3 kg, 4 kg, 4.5 kg fish. Come here, come close, come and get these ones. These ones are very big fish. It's over a year plus. These fish, these ones in this particular pond. We have about 19 different ponds. Look at them. Down to that area. You see it? All of them loaded with fish. Look down there. Are you with me? Come and see. See, this pond. This is another one. See, all of them. Here. All these places. Here, this is our hatchery pond. We're trying to start up hatchery. This is the pond, is about 4. We're just setting it up. In less than no time, we'll start hatching. You understand? So anywhere you call us, we are there. That if you want fingerless, juvenile, table size, any fish you want, dry one, we'll be there to, satisfy you. They're hungry, dude. They're hungry. Relax. Food is coming. Food is coming. This is the CCTV camera for surveillance. We have about 3 of them. This is 1. This is 2. The other one is at the entrance. As you're coming in, that's where the 3rd one is. Come in. Here is the reception. This is our reception where you can sit and wait. Come with me. And this is the office. Okay, this is our office where we sit and have business discussion. So you're welcome. Sit down. This is our butcher room. Very soon we will start killing the fish and start drying it. So this is our butcher room where we butcher the fish and take it to this place. This is our dryer where we'll be drying the fish. Let me show you how you have a look on what the dryer looks like. Dryer. You can use charcoal. You can also use gas. This is the burner for gas. Why this one is better? You understand? It's about 1,000 capacity. So very soon, dried fish should be available. We are here to serve you. We are located at Ugbolu in Delta State. 5 minutes drive from Asaba to Ugbolu. A minute drive from Ugbolu market to the farm. It's not far.